Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram Mobile. If you want to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not already have one, create a new account to continue. Then, tap on the messenger icon to reach your inbox. At the top, select the pen icon to start a new message. Before creating a broadcast channel, your account must be public. If your account is private, you will need to switch it. To do that, go back to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and select Business Tools and Controls. From here, tap on Switch to Professional Account. Follow the on-screen steps to set it up. Once your account is switched to a professional public account, you will be able to access more features, including broadcast channels. If you still do not see the option, go to Help in your settings. Tap on Report a Problem, or simply shake your phone, and the option to report will appear. Here, you can explain that you do not have access to the broadcast channel feature yet. After completing these steps, the broadcast channel option should become available, and you will be able to create one directly from your inbox. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.